This client wanted more parking. They couldn't utilize their yard, so she asked if we could pour a decorative hardscape in the front that she could use as both parking and it would also look nice. As you can see, it's grass now, and there was an Arizona flagstone walkway there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour a clean, simple, modern concrete set of 3 pads. It's actually gonna be a 6-foot wide concrete pad here. Then there's gonna be another one here that's 6 feet wide, but it's gonna have to return and taper in. So it's gonna be a little bit smaller because it has to scribe around these bushes here. And then we're gonna have a third one that acts just as a walkway. It's gonna be 3 feet wide, and it's gonna return and go to the house. In between these two and along the edge of the concrete, along the edge of the sidewalk here, we're gonna have a 4-inch gap that we're gonna fill with Japanese river rocks. So here you're gonna have river rocks. You're also gonna have river rocks here. Same thing over there. We will come back and let you see what it looks like afterwards. I'd love to get your 2 cents. Keep in mind, I didn't design this though, so we do what clients ask us to. I actually like the design though. I think it'll be pretty nice.